What's up, gang? It's your boy Red, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to go over how the bread and butter strategy is gone 4 for 4. We got 4 days and 4 wins. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, we are back on the charts, and I have got to show you, man, this bread and butter strategy is love. It is hooking us up with win after win after win. And you guys really need to learn this. If you want to make some money, it's probably a good idea to figure this one out. So today I'm just going to go over the movement for NASDAQ today on October 24 of 2024. You'll see some of the other stuff that I was talking about with the group on Telegram, of which if you'd like to join our free Telegram, you'll find the link down in the description. There are 2 groups there, Global Wealth and Guerrilla Trading, okay? Feel free to join them, and while on this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. At least I guess since this markup is on here, I can go over this real quick what I was seeing. But these are some kind of ICT concepts that I was kind of looking at today. So after the morning move, we had some news today. After that move was done, we kind of moved into some consolidation right here. And if you notice, if you've looked at any of the ICT teachings, you'll remember a portion where he talks about accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. This range, you can see that price came down and made a nice move bearish, but then we started ranging. And what this is doing is it's manufacturing liquidity. You got people trying to buy from down here, you got people trying to sell from up here, and they're basically trapping people in these areas because they don't know if their stop is going to get hit. You can see that some of these lows, they're like barely getting taken out. So if you were bought from here, you might have taken your stop at this level. It wasn't taken out, so they're holding people up inside here, building up more and more orders, right? And then what it'll do is it'll kind of do like a fake out. So this is the manipulation. It'll break it out of this range, stop out all these people here that are the buyers, and then it will do a distribution. Now what you can see here is that it came back into the range. So buyers tried to jump in here, got stopped back out down here before you had distribution. When you've got your accumulation, manipulation, and then your distribution, you would have wanted to take a buy at this level to take out at least the high of the range. I was actually aiming for this area here, but I got out earlier because it was dancing around again and started doing some more kind of ranging accumulation here. So I did get out just in case we were going to kind of run sideways for the rest of the day until the close of the session. And of course, if you know anything about trading futures, you have to close your trade before 5 o'clock, at least on the prop firms. I'm not sure about the live account. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys that we had a couple opportunities here for the bread and butter strategy, and I'm going to try not to make this video as long as I did yesterday's video because that sucker was like a half an hour long. So I'm going to switch us back quickly to the 1-minute chart. Bring us all back. Oh wait, is this yeah. Let me get all this stuff out of here real quick. Get us a nice clean chart popping, or as clean as we can get it. Alright, so where are we at? Alright, 9:30. Alright, boom. So I don't even know if I'm gonna do a whole playback for this one. I think I'll just walk you guys through what actually is happening here. So here's your 9:30 open right here, right? 9:30 open, price pushed down pretty strongly, right? And if you notice, we have some minor structure here, Now this one, I was talking to the team in the Telegram because I was trying to be a little extra cautious just in case, because of when news is running, the market it can kind of do some funky stuff. It doesn't always follow the rules here and do whatever the heck it wants to. So when we had this break of structure, some of the people on the team went ahead and got into running their fib to look for the sell, right? So if we run our fib from this high down to this low, you can see that we didn't come up into the hot zone yet, right? Or OTE. So all you have to do is drag your fib as it's going. You drag it to the next low that it gives you. And you can see price came up into that hot zone, OTE. You also had a fair value gap here. Mark it out for you guys. Fair value gap there. You also have a little one in here that wasn't quite completely mitigated. Okay, you can see where price actually reached into. Hopefully that's clear enough for you guys, big enough to see. Tapped into there, right? So you could have taken your entry possibly from the midpoint. Oh, what happened? Oh, okay. Let's try that again. Take it from the midpoint of the hot zone. Stops at the high. TP1 at the low. And let it ride, right? So as you can see, it bounced around, boom, till it hit your TP. Okay, that is a 1 to 2. And then, if you guys notice, it actually gave us 2 bread and butter setups today. Because now we have another movement where it's breaking structure to the downside with displacement. Right, here's our displacement leg. We run our fib from the recent high, following it down to that low. Came right back up into our hot zone. These were like really some beautiful little setups here. And I was surprised with the news being today. But you can see it respected the level in here. So boom, you got yourself another short. You could have gotten in here at the midway point in OTE or the hot zone, or you even could have got a prime entry right here at the top of the hot zone. And you would have marked it down here and won yourself a lovely 3-2-1 risk to reward. So, you know, this is just a quick review for you guys. I don't even know how long is this video. It's hopefully not too long, and I can't figure out where the timer is. Oh, here we go. Okay, so we're coming up on 8 minutes, so that's not bad. So yeah, guys, like, you know, if you're interested in, you know, using a strategy that's going to be pretty consistent in giving you wins, and if you think about the win to loss ratio, you're really coming up profitable following this strategy. As long as you can train your eyes to look for these things, mark them out as they happen. Make sure you're always marking out your fair value gaps. Make sure that you're always marking your pieces of structure so you can look for those breaks of structure, and let the plan work for you. I guess that's all I got for you guys. You know, so stay strong out there, you guys. If you took a L today with the news, keep your head up, keep focusing, backtest. Look at what you did today. Look and see if it made a difference trying things one way versus another. If you were following a different strategy, look and see if you skipped a step. Look to see if, you know, you made a mistake on something. And when you find that, take note of it, write it down, put it in a journal, screenshot it, whatever you got to do to lock this stuff into your head, because when you do that, it works. you will be able to spot a lot of this stuff. And I'm getting to the point that even I can spot, a setup on a naked chart with nothing on there whatsoever. I can see these things. Okay, so other than that, I hope everyone had a great day, and I wish you all a happy and prosperous and profitable Friday. So happy trading, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace, love, and hair grease. I'm out.